Hey fams, let's make this yummy okra soup and poundo yam. Into a pot, pour in your cooked meat, pepper, crayfish powder, seasoning cube, salt, locust beans, meat stock, palm oil and smoked fish. Stir this nicely to combine, cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Add in your okra into it. Stir this nicely to cook for about 5 minutes, then add in your sliced ugu and uziza leaf. Allow this to cook for about a minute or two and your yummy okra soup is ready. Into a pot of boiling water, stir in your Ayoola Poundo Yam flour. Allow it to combine just like this and then add some water into it. Cover it and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes and then mix it up nicely until it is smooth. Guys, Ayoola Poundo Yam is ready in as little as 5 minutes and it's like freshly pounded yam but without the stress of pounding, and your meal is ready.